So I'm looking for a house somewhere in the trees. Or how about this? A tree house! Hey, Fred!
Hey, Evan, come on up.
I'll meet you by the red door.
All right, great.
The A-frame is unmistakable. Hello, good sir.
Hey, how's it going?
Love what you're doing with the place.
Thank you. Come on in.
Going inside a tree house.
Yeah.
Fred, for an A-frame home, you're getting an A+ grade for the authentic ski lodge look and feel.
It's what the people are really looking for when they come here. They want that Vermont vibe. They want these properties to just feel different from where they come from.
Sometimes you want to feel like I'm in the cabin. I just got done skiing. I want it to look and have the vibe of that.
Yeah, and that's the thing about, parents now want their kids to be a little disconnected. And so engaging with the family is really what we try to create that experience for our guests.
I'm glad you mentioned families. Feels like it's set up for that style of staycation.
It's totally set up that way because of the 6 bedrooms and then the 3 levels and the game room downstairs. It's the perfect place for a large family.
Now that you've turned it into a staycation experience, did you also add a fun name to it?
Oh yeah, it's called Treehouse because we're up in the trees. Even right now, fall with the fall foliage, it's amazing, yeah.
What is the first thing guests see when they come through that very recognizable red door?
You come right into this living room with the great kitchen. 2 bedrooms are right off the kitchen area here and off this living room. There's bathrooms on all 3 levels, so it's really convenient.
These 2 bedrooms, will they share that bath?
Yes.
Now, what happens when we go up the stairs? What do we see up there?
Well, upstairs you come to a landing. Each bedroom has its own theme, has its own name.
We all know what room I'm picking, Evan's Heaven.
Evan's Heaven, right.
I saw that on the wall right there.
It's a great room.
They must have known I was going to be here. I'm seeing so many touches from the design to the artwork that really lean into the ski vibe. Right. Is that something you and the owners wanted to do?
Oh yeah, it's all about the skiing. We're literally steps away from the slopes here. Being close to like Ludlow for shopping.
How about outdoors?
I'll show you, we got a great fire pit outside and it's the coolest feel just to hang out by the fire with the leaves around you and really private, so.
Well, enough talking about it, let's go.
Let's go, come on, all right.
Fred, it's raining leaves. Isn't fall just the best season in Vermont?
It's a great season, and just a short while, we're gonna have some snow here.
I love that this space is so close to that game room.
I know.
You go right, you play some shuffleboard, you go to the bar, have a drink, you come right outdoors, and you're by the fire pit.
Exactly, yeah.
Fred, I could be out here all day. I get why people pick this as their favorite spot.
We're just getting fired up here.
Oh!
I got a couple other places to show you.
Oh, Dolly. The adventure continues.
Yes, sir. All right.